Nothing but a waiting game here. This is ridiculous. Wasn't that crazy? I know I haven't done a video in a while, but yeah, that's crazy. I mean, that's just shorts. What did Bazinga or whatever the hell it was said? Oh, it's because Spectrum and Disney had that settled their little dispute there. Yeah, that's bullshit. I mean, it just gets up to this 326, and then because of that, they hammer it down. Yeah, I don't believe it. It's just shorted. Either that or BlackRock's playing games. You know, they got what, 17 million shares? Be pretty easy for them to dump off a couple million shares, run it down, sell some more shorts, you know, loan out some more shares, and they buy all the shares back, driving it back up, forcing people to loan out more shares, you know. It's just a waiting game. Just a matter of time before this runs back up, but I know it's frustrating as hell, though. You know, I want to see this run so bad, but you know, they're playing with options, and you know what's going to happen is the call options will empty out, and there won't be much there all the way up, you know, and then shorts will cover and run it up. There isn't much for puts, so even way out, though. I mean, there's a few where somebody bought a big chunk, but not ridiculous to where, you know, they're going to gain a lot if they force it down. So, you know, it's all about the borrowed out, you know, the loaned out shares and the shorted. You know, who knows where they're still in. And so, I don't know, I'm guessing if somebody doesn't push this up, buyers and stuff don't push this up, I'm guessing they're going to try to get this back around the 2. And go for that $2 mark again. And they're not going to get it. It might dip below 2 or something, but it's not going any lower than that. I don't think they'll even get it to 2. So this is the 15-minute chart. But if you go to, I was looking at the 4-hour. My internet's stupid slow. Still haven't gotten my fiber yet. It's coming though. So I'll be glad to get that. You know, if you're looking at the 4-hour, and you look at the MACD, you know, we could see a couple more down days here. You know, I always go by this. There's like three bars here. And it's very unlikely that it, you know, you might get 1, 2 more, and then it starts going back the other way, kind of like this, you know. I just kind of use it as a little bit of a guide. I mean, who knows what can happen, but you know, I'm assuming we're gonna see him try to push it to 2 by Friday. You know, I don't see it going up. These shorts are pissed off they couldn't get it under 3 last week. So now they're just going to hammer the hell out of it this week. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But, I mean, it's a good time if you're long to grab some more cheapies. What else are you going to do, you know? It's just, it's a waiting game. And it sucks, but when you don't have the buying pressure. For instance, this long one right here, you know, when they pushed it down from the 326, if there was enough buying pressure to keep this up here at that 326 and still, after all of this, still kept like in this trend or whatever, you probably would have saw shorts cover. But because they're able to get it back down, then they get hopeful. You know, just like we do when it's going up. You get hopeful that it's going to keep going, and then it gets hammered down. Well, they do the same thing when, you know, they get determined when it starts going down, and they just, you know, do a little more horse shit to try to do whatever they can to get it down. And, you know, like market makers and institutions that are shorting, you know, they got it made once they get it going, because they can, market makers especially if they want to bring it down, because they just transfer shares off exchange, and all the sells hit, all the buys go off exchange, and that just forces the price down. So it's just a lot of manipulation. That's what we're seeing. I mean, it's nothing, there's just nothing you can do about it, you know? You just got to go with the flow. And if you're flipping shares, you know, or you buy more on dips, you know, you just gotta smile and do what you got to do. And without a doubt, I mean, without a doubt, over time, Fubo was going up. I mean, it is definitely worth more than $3. So you just gotta be patient and let them do what they're gonna do, and eventually shorts will cover. And so, well, we'll see what happens the rest of the week, and we'll see you in the next video.